to keep today's industry and commerce running smoothly, that guarantees the continuous, reliable operation of computer and telecommunications equipment in the dealing rooms of the world's money markets. And at some of the world's busiest airports, the ground power units that ensure efficient operations. All part of a wide spectrum of high technology, total power systems provided by Dale Electric International. In over 100 countries, Dale systems are in use for prime, standby and emergency power applications. A wide spectrum of quality power products designed to meet the requirements of a broad range of industrial, commercial and public sector customers. A group with a broad base of growth markets. Markets with strong futures. Dale Electric International is a world leader in power systems with 3 outstanding brands. Dale, a global pacesetter in the independent generating set business, with a wide range of diesel and gas turbine power systems. Houchin, the world's #1 manufacturer of aerospace ground power equipment. And Erskine, an international leader in AC and DC secure systems. The group is closely integrated with many shared services. Headquarters are at Filey in Yorkshire, where Dale Electric of Great Britain also has its factory. Erskine is a close neighbour in Scarborough, as is the original member of the group, Dale Electrical Installations, while Houchin is headquartered at Ashford in Kent. Houchin's subsidiary, Air Transport Charter, is an avionics repair and maintenance company based at Colnbrook near Heathrow Airport. Manchester-based Ward and Scott manufacture switchgear and control systems. The 1989 purchase of Danesmead, based in York, develops distinct group strengths in environmental engineering and green issues. And as the rest of Europe begins to prepare for the single market, Dale's factories in France ensure that the group is already well positioned to make the most of new opportunities in 1992. The French group now holds 20% of the local emergency light market and has won major contracts for the Paris Metro and the magnificent new Opera de la Bastille. Overseas factories are strategically situated to provide a manufacturing base for each continent. The Southeast Asian economy is booming, and nowhere is it growing faster than in Thailand. Dale's factory in Bangkok provides the group with a strong base for sales to the local market and region. The recently revitalized Mexican economy is served by Automotores Dale in Mexico City. And the Dale Group factory in Lagos gives the business a manufacturing base for the African continent. It also maintains an active sales office in Florida for Latin American business and a Baghdad base for Middle East trade. The policy is to focus onto developed, mature markets. But Dale maintains a foothold in third world markets too, maximizing opportunities for future sales and profits. Dale Electric products are strongly customer-led. Flexibility is the keynote. Customizing products, designing and engineering high-technology total power solutions to meet the requirements of individual customers. Traditionally, the main business of the group has been the manufacture of generating sets. Dale has an outstanding reputation for the supply of a reliable source of prime power in a diversity of different locations, and for emergency systems providing protection against power failure. At Westminster, for example, Dale Emergency Power is the last line of defense between essential equipment and mains. That's why investment in quality is essential. Dale is approved to the highest quality assurance levels, which have an important impact on working practices, systems, and profitability. Investment in training programs ensures that employees and customers too have a proper understanding of the importance of quality. increased awareness means that individuals are able to realize their full potential. Training was one of the areas that was made a priority when the group was redirected in 1986. Changes made at that time led to Dale concentrating on higher tech areas, core businesses and more mature markets. Added value, not volume, is now the aim. So investment centres on high technology power systems which change the nature of electrical supply, transferring, switching and conditioning base power in all its forms. The Dale Power System at the Stock Exchange Computer Centre, for example, protects essential computer services from power failures. Greater emphasis was placed on research and development, resulting in new products like the Community Service Unit. This integrated unit being shown here to the Prince of Wales on-site in Indonesia by Chief Executive Ian Dale provides rural communities in the developing world with the benefits of clear, disinfected water and electrical power. The group's advance into higher technology has been further developed through Houchin's licensing agreement with the Boeing Aircraft Company to develop the programmable engine tester in Europe and key Southeast Asian markets. The group is poised for involvement in important trends in the 1990s, including electricity privatization with combined heat and power systems, the development of equipment which uses the gas created by refuse dumps as fuel for electricity generation, the contract to provide generating sets powered by coal mine gases at the Selby coalfield, and the group's involvement in water authority modernisation and effluent control programs has taken it into green projects and environmental engineering. These changes have meant that generating sets now represent only 36% of the group's turnover, compared with 80% 10 years ago. But profit prospects are now much improved. New ideas and new approaches have generated new and more profitable business, creating a company to meet the challenges of the 1990s. In carefully selecting its businesses and focusing on added value, the group is making the most of improved business opportunities, meeting the challenge of change in the UK, positioning itself to take full advantage of EEC 1992 opportunities, laying down the foundations for future profitable growth throughout the world.